Sanibonani limis, ngiyanamukela kwisifundo sethu sanamhlanje. Namhlanje we are tackling izikhuliso. Ukukhula is to grow or it is growth. Let's get into it. Kuyini ukukhulisa? Ukukhulisa ukwenza igama noma into ibe nkulu. So ukukhulisa is to make a noun or a thing bigger. Sikhulisa kanjani? So how do we actually make a noun or a thing bigger? Uma sikhulisa senza into ibe nkulu ngokujobelela isakhi sesikhuliso ukazi ebizweni elikhuliswayo. So we make a noun bigger by adding the suffix kazi. I also just want to point out that izikhuliso are the exact opposite of izinciphiso. And what is izinciphiso? Those are your diminutives. That's when we made our nouns smaller. If you haven't seen that video, check it up here. And yeah, check it out. It's a lot more challenging than izikhuliso, but I believe in you. So ukukhulisa is basically making a noun bigger by adding the suffix kazi. Let's move forward. Izibonelo. You have unyawo, which is a foot, and that becomes unyawo kazi because sithathe ukazi is jobelele sethu and we attached it to unyawo. You don't have to remove anything. All you have to do is just add your suffix, okay? So unyawo becomes unyawokazi, which is a big foot. Umhlengi becomes umhlengikazi, which is a female nurse. We'll get into it. We'll get into that shortly. Amehlo becomes amehlokazi, which are big eyes. Now you might be asking yourself, why didn't I label umhlengikazi big nurse? So sometimes when you have that isjobelelo kazi attached to a noun, it becomes ubulili besifazane. So it changes into the female gender. That meaning changes into the female gender. For example, umhlengi can be a redeemer or a rescuer or a savior. And then mangase sifake ukazi, when we add kazi, it becomes female nurse. So I will show you. Isijobelelo ukazi siyakwazi ukuveza ubukhulu bento, so it can show the magnitude of something, so how big something is. Buphinde buveze ubulili besifazane, but it can also show the female gender or the female version of something, okay? For example, indoda, a man. When you add ukazi isijobelelo sakho, it can become daughter, and daughter is a female version of a son or a young boy. Okay, does that make sense? So that would be ubulili besifazane. So that isijobelelo kazi can show ubulili besifazane, or it can show how big something is, okay, the magnitude of something. It can khulisa igama, it can grow a word and make it bigger. So it's up to you to use your own discretion when you're in the test. Sometimes they'll ask you, hey, add or shintsha lamabizo kube ubulili besifazane, and you know that if you want to change to ubulili besifazane, you can add that kazi, but you can also add that kazi to make a noun bigger. Now it's time for you to try this cute little exercise. It's very short. It's not going to take too much of your time. So khulisa amagama abhalwe ngokuqamile. Remember, what is to ukuqama? It's the highlighted words or the words in bold. So make the words in bold bigger. Ngithole isikhwama sigcwele imali and so forth. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. You can pause this video, and in 3 seconds I'm going to show you the answers. So make sure you complete this first on your own. Pause this video, then resume. 3, 2, 1. And here are your answers, okay? Ngithole isikhwamakazi sigcwele imali. It was isikhwama and we added kazi. Ubishop wethule umfundisi kazi omusha izolo, okay? We added that kazi. Now, isikhwamakazi is a big bag, whereas umfundisi kazi, this is different, okay? This is a female pastor because umfundisi is a pastor. Umfundisi kazi would be a female pastor. Izolo unjabulo ugibele ibhanoyi kazi eliluhlaza. So unjabulo basically flew in a big plane, okay? Ngizokhuluma nomongamelikazi wami kusasa. Again, an example of ubulili besifazane. What is ubulili besifazane? It is a female gender. Ubulili in general is gender. It's that topic in isiZulu where we have ubulili. Ngizokhuluma nomongamelikazi wami kusasa. So umongameli is like a president or a minister. So in this case, it's either a female president or a female minister or a female leader. Okay, so it's really that simple. Thank you, Limies. I hope this lesson was insightful and helpful. Sweet and short izikhuliso are the easiest. Okay, maybe not the easiest, but I find them very easy because all I have to do is add isijobelelo sami, my kazi, to make my nouns a little bigger. Catch me next time. I will see you in the next one.